have arrived in Cape TZ with my man. Hey guys, what is up? Today is the 28th of March. It is 11:07 in the morning. I haven't spoken to y'all since day before yesterday when I arrived. You guys, I didn't record anything yesterday because I just wasn't feeling like it. The only thing I did yesterday was go to the mall. Yeah, I only went to the mall yesterday and I wasn't really feeling like recording. I don't know why. But today we are up. Like I said, I don't have a lot to do, and honestly yesterday I didn't feel like recording at all. I just looked at my camera and I was like, guys, we'll see tomorrow. So today we are going to do quad biking at the Atlantis dunes. So you guys are coming with me. Yeah, you're coming with us actually. So I'm gonna get ready and get dressed and I'll talk to you guys. I don't know if you want to talk to you guys before we leave or what. No. TTYL.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas around me, pride that they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying around.
Hey guys, we have arrived. It's so packed. Oh my word, it's overwhelming. I don't even know. My Jesus. But we must find those people first and then repatele entrance. Which people? Hello. Good. Yes. Yes. One. They said we must look for sweetie. The two. Yes.
Tendai.
Here's the earphones.
Where are the Mat Queens? Where are the Mat Queens? Queen Venture.
I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. Right now, I'm outside in the AMG. Right outside.
Hey guys, our thing is late. It was supposed to start at 1, but they moved it to 2 because they are late, not us. So it is currently 16 minutes past 1. I hope you can hear me because there's loud noises and music. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we are about to start. They already gave us these for now, and they bought us water. Agata. So guys, we are going in. Oh my goodness.
Thank God you came. How many more days will I wait? Ain't plans with you, and I won't fall you. I think I lied. I think I lied for you. Jordan is right. You think we see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling out when they breathe.
Hey guys. Hey guys. I'm Olive. AKA Beyonce. I hope they can hear because I wanted this music. What? I hope they can hear because there's music. And then guys up. We are at Camps Bay. We decided to come to the beach today because we thought because it's Sunday it's gonna be chilled, but guess what? No, it's still so packed. It's currently what, 4 p.m. ish. 5 p.m. We stopped going out, but we ended up making it at the half. Have a look. I don't know if you can see, but it is so packed. Okay, we're gonna try and get a spot, and then I'll talk to you guys when we get a spot. Okay? Yeah. Guys, I think I'm just gonna have some fun in the water and put the camera away, cause wowza, TTYL. It is currently that time. We are done. So guys, we are done right now here by the beach. We are gonna go eat out. We don't know where yet. We'll decide after. We're just gonna rinse off the sand and whatever, and then yeah. Hey guys, what is up? I'm back home. As you can see, it is currently 3:51 p.m. I landed at around 2, just before 2:40 or something like that. But yeah, I'm back. I'm not as excited as I was when oh Jesus. Okay, wait. I'm back, you guys. What do I wanna say? It is hot. Cape Town was mid, so yeah, and my room is a mess. I still have to unpack. Oh. My room is a mess. Don't judge it. Oh, what guys? My boyfriend got me flowers. Also, I stopped by Marley & Bean and bought a wrap and a mugachino. This is actually so nice, you guys. It's nice. But yeah, I'm gonna now remove these flowers. Yeah, no, I'm gonna remove these ones. These are the ones that I left here, that I bought a few days before I left. What am I saying? But yeah, I bought them a few days before I left. And yeah, I don't know if I told you guys that I'm drying my flowers, so I'm gonna remove them from there and let them dry, and then I'm gonna put in these ones. But I have to wash that vase first, whatever you wanna call it. I'm not in the mood to pack, to unpack, to do anything, so I don't know. My first day, guys. Yeah, I think this is actually the end of this video because I have nothing else to say. Okay, I know in this video I wasn't speaking to you guys a lot. I feel like it's short unless if I combine it with me prepping to go to Cape Town. But if not, I feel like it's the shortest video. I'll just see if I'm gonna combine it with me prepping, or I'm just gonna make it its own video. But if if I don't, what am I saying, if I end up whatever, but yeah, this is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming. I know it might have been the shortest video. Yeah, hope you enjoyed, but I just wanted to enjoy and be in the moment, this, that, and the third, understand? So I will speak to you guys very soon and very soon, you understand? Yeah, TTYL.